Hello, I am a Gurukul mother and I would like to thank the management of the Gurukul Kids for enhancing the growth and the future of my child, and just good luck for the future. My best wishes to you.
Hello everyone, I am Nikita Taneja, Ryanshi Taneja's mother. I am glad to be a part of Gurukul Kids. They all inspire the kids so well and the management is very cooperative. Thank you for doing the best for the children. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Neha Verma. My two daughters are studying in this Gurukul Kids, Monica and Lakshika. One is in UKG and one is in LKG. The faculty members are very supporting and friendly to kids, and the management is also very good. The kids growing very enthusiastically and very friendly in nature, and studies are perfect. Thank you.
At Gurukul, we feel safe with our child, that she is opening up with us also and with the child in the school, and the activities that are going on in the school are very creative and for the overall development for the child also, and we are likely to indulge in the activities that are happening. Like recently they have played a role for a jungle party type theme, where we put our child into a costume of cat. So she was so happy and she also poses for the photos in that theme. And we are very happy to be a part of a Gurukul family. So that's all I want to say. Thank you.
Hi, myself Kanika Jain, the daughter named Jitvi Jain. Just recently, I got her admitted in the Gurukul school. After searching many, I find this is the most secure place for her, as I have seen the staff. They are very cooperative, they are very understanding, they take they give kid the care like a parent. So there is no worries about anything in the school. They are secure, they are happy, and her growth is going very good. She is very enjoying coming to the school. She is never fussy coming to the school. I am so happy to send her here. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Nirvi's parents, Swati Dingra and Rishi Rawal. Today I'll be telling you about Gurukul Kids, the kind of nurturing they are providing to the kids. It's extremely commendable. The teachers are much knowledgeable and provides inclusive atmosphere, and they are so caring that the children feel like they are at home and are having the best learning environment over here. That's it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Meenakshi Sachdeva. I am the mother of Vanya Sachdeva, studying in class nursery. 2 years हो गए मुझे इस स्कूल से जुड़े हुए, and I am very much happy. जब वानिया प्री नर्सरी में थी तो स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ी सी दिक्कतें आई, बट नाउ शी इज़ वेरी मच हैप्पी एंड आई एम ऑल्सो सेटिस्फाइड, क्योंकि अगर बच्चा खुश है तो मदर एंड पेरेंट्स सब खुश हैं. एंड सेकेंडली कि जो स्कूल में जिस तरीके से एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं, जिस तरीके से इवेंट मैनेजमेंट होते हैं, दैट इज़ वेरी मच अप्रिशिएबल. मैं तो हमेशा मैम की तारीफ करती हूँ कि नहीं बहुत सही है, क्योंकि जो मेरा बड़ा बेटा है, शी इज़ राइट नाउ इन सेकेंड क्लास सेंट मैरीज, बट मैंने लिटिल स्पार्क से उसकी स्कूलिंग की. बट जो मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस रहा वो गुरुकुल किड्स के साथ, इट वॉज वेरी मच बहुत अच्छा था. मतलब कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, और मैं सबको यही प्रेस्क्राइब करूँगी, यही सजेस्ट करूँगी कि आप भी अपने बच्चे को गुरुकुल में ही पढ़ाएं, क्योंकि यहाँ सिर्फ एक स्टडिंग, एक सिर्फ टीचिंग नहीं है, इट्स मच मोर देन दैट. उससे कुछ ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि जो टीचर्स हैं वो बच्चे के साथ इतना इंडल्ज हैं, पर्सनली भी, मतलब हर तरीके से टेक केयर, लुक आफ्टर, बहुत अच्छी. इवन अगर हमारे बच्चे को चोट भी लग जाती है तो हमें जरा भी फील नहीं होता, क्यों हमें लगता है कि नहीं इट्स ओके, घर पे भी लग जाती है, बट जो उसकी लुक आफ्टर होती है, जो केयर होती है, हैट्स ऑफ.
Hi everyone, this is Mia's mother, and I am very happy that I am a part of Gurukul Kids, and my kid is doing very well, just because of the teachers and the management, those who are helping my kid to grow, and the activities that they are organizing helps my kid to to become active, and she is participating in every activity which is helping her to grow. Thank you, and thank you.
Hello, my name is Sugam Agarwal. I am the father of my daughter Swara Agarwal. She is studying in LKG class and she is doing wonderful in the school. And the behavior that the teacher behavior is very commendable, and the day by day she is improving. And best of luck. And this is the one of the best school in the Meerut for kids, especially for kids as well. Thank you.
Hello, we searched so many schools and we find that the Gurukul is the best one here for the activities and the all over activities, and for the studies also. My child Anaya Jain is there and she learned so many things. The staff is so friendly, and she got 2 times first position in the so many activities, and we are find that it is good, the best school in this area. Thank you.
Hi, this is Rahul Jain. I am the father of Sahaj Jain, and she is the mother, Dolly Jain. And Sahaj, we have started him since April, and he is doing quite well as per academics and naughtiness as well. And the school staff is very cooperative, and they are providing a friendly environment to the Sahaj, and they are using innovative techniques to let them gain knowledge as well. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vasu Sani. My kid is Ekam Sani, studying in PG. The school is very nice, very cooperative staff, and very good school for kids.
Teachers are very cooperative. They are very nice. Anytime we just call, they will definitely do the query solved. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Our child is since PG in this school. Now she is in LKG class. They both are too good in every inspection
of life, and all the activities that Gurukul perform, they are really good, very nice activities. Especially all the like Dandiya nights or Diwali celebrations,
animal
celebrations, rhyme competition. They are going very good, because other schools I don't think see all these activities do.
Thank you, Gurukul, for the management of the school.
Especially Sarika ma'am for overall support and management she providing to our child.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy with her performance, and the whole staff of this school is very caring, very helping, and it's great to be a part of the Gurukul family. Thank you.
मैंने अपने बेबी को अभी डाला है, तो मुझे धीरे धीरे देखना है कि मेरा बेबी कैसे करेगा सारा कुछ हैंडल, और लगा भी है कुछ कि कर रहा है थोड़ा बहुत, और आगे जाके फिर पता चलेगा कि कैसे करेगा बेबी. ओके, थैंक यू.
Hi, my name is Jyoti Sehgal. I am Jia Sehgal's mother from Playgroup. I'm really happy with the Gurukul staff, management, the principal of the school. She's very active. She takes interest in all the activities that are taking place in the school. Plus, she brings up new things every time. And even I am surprised that the things that are not happening in general schools of Meerut, the play schools, she incorporates all such activities, which is really good for the kids' overall growth and development. I have seen a major growth in Jia after getting her admitted in this school, that she started doing certain things that we were not able to teach her at home. So yeah, I'm really happy with the Gurukul family, and I'm proud of Jia that she is doing so well. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha Arora and I am Samyak Jain's mother. He studies in nursery class. स्कूल जब उसको एडमिशन दिलवाया था हमने, तो उससे पहले काफ़ी रिसर्च करी थी आसपास के स्कूल की. तो इस स्कूल को चूज़ करने से पहले मुझे काफ़ी मतलब लोगों ने कहा यहाँ क्यों डाल रहे हो, यहाँ इतनी पढ़ाई नहीं होती, ये है वो है. बट ये था कि मतलब मुझे अपने बच्चे को इधर ही डालना था. बट आज वो डिसीजन लेके मैं काफ़ी खुश हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा बच्चा यहाँ आने के बाद बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो गया है. वो खुद ही मतलब मुझे बोलना नहीं पड़ता कि अगर कोई आपसे कुछ पूछा तो अब क्या जवाब दो, उसे पता होता है कि मुझे क्या जवाब दो. और स्टडीज़ में भी वो बहुत अच्छा है.
और टीचर्स भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है यहाँ पे। कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो हम कॉल कर सकते हैं, जब मर्जी उनको कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं। बाकी ओवरऑल मुझे स्कूल बहुत ही अच्छा लगा अपने बच्चे के लिए।